Pro tips.
Pro tips is for the newbie who's maybe looking to buy their first laundromat. So other than, the ultimate pro tip obviously is go buy the book.
Might be one or two pro tips. One or two. Yeah.
The pro tip is go buy the book. And again, there's a link in the description, in the bio, in the bio. What am I on Instagram? Link in the show notes for you to go pick that up. It's a good buy. So go grab it. So other than that,
I appreciate that. Thank you very much. Honestly, you're doing a great job, but just networking with people, reaching out to people. So one of the things that I've done is I drive around the city and I'll walk in the laundromat and I'll talk to the owner. And as soon as they realize that you're not a threat, and you're not trying to build a laundromat across the street from them, they'll usually open up. And, sometimes I'm just like, hey, I'm going to say hi, how you doing? I'm Jason, and then going to once we get out of the COVID stuff, hopefully the distributors will start having their school, their events where they bring people in and they have their specials and stuff. Well, then you can network with other owners there, get to know people, get to know the distributors, the repair guys. The repair guys are the ones that know what's working and what's not working around the city. Get to know them, ask them questions, and drop them a card. Hey, man, if you got anything that's coming up, let me know. Or if you see a place that's being neglected, just let me know. I'll send the owner a card. I'll try to call them. And there's ways to get in there. So networking is important. I'm just naturally kind of, I think, good at that because I just like talking to people. But read everything you can. Now there's more stuff out there, even though it's not enough. There's still more things now than there ever have been. We got this podcast. There's all the literature that you have. There's guys that are coaching. There's all these books. The Coin Laundry Association, has materials and white papers and things, that you can do. And so there's just a lot of information out there, and nobody's right or wrong. Everybody has a little bit of a different approach on things. And I don't know everything. That book doesn't teach you everything. And some of my early comments were that, well, I'm kind of disappointed he didn't tell me what kind of equipment to buy. I'm like, well, that's the whole Ford versus Chevy thing. I'm like, I don't know. A lot of them are good machines, and everybody has an opinion on it. And I don't want to jump in the middle of that. So, so I don't talk about, if you're looking for the best equipment, you need to make that decision, and you need to go around a laundromat and just use some machines. Which one is user friendly? Which ones are not out of order? That's how you kind of make your decision on that stuff. So there's some pro tips, I think.
Yeah. Awesome pro tips. Appreciate it.